taping. Look at this thing go. Woohoo! And there's the food that the rats were climbing in. Because it's the city.
Who you calling a rat?
Ed, how do you like your soup? Good.
Soup of chicken food.
Good.
Yum.
That's what Ed's soup is. Good.
Special ingredients.
Whoa, look at that sucker go. Where's Luna?
He's right there. He's giving the soup a try.
Oh, I can't turn it. There he is. Oh, he's trying the soup.
Yeah.
He likes it.
He likes it. Hey, Mikey.
Hey, Luna. Woohoo, look at that thing go. That's where I was painting. I was painting in the dark. It's actually pretty easy and fun. Wish you were here, Linda Lee, or I'm not even on Facebook Live, unfortunately. Just a video. I think we should make a Facebook Live.